Hey, welcome back to my kitchen. Today we are knocking up a vegan feast. We're going to throw together some beetroot and bulgur burgers. I hope you give them a go. Okay, first up you want to rinse your bulgur wheat under cold running water. Then pop it into the saucepan, crumble over a vegan stock cube and pour over the boiling water. Give it a quick stir, pop it on the hob, bring it up to a boil, then reduce down and simmer until it's cooked through. Scrub your beetroot, then top and tail and chop it into chunks. Pop it in a food processor with the red kidney beans and the red onion and pulse it until it resembles breadcrumbs. Pop in the chia seeds, the spices, the salt and pepper and mix together well. Divide into 16 and shape into little patties. Pop them on a greased baking tray and then bake for 20 minutes. Next, pile them up onto mini bread rolls with salad leaves, vegan mayonnaise and slices of tomato. Serve with either a side salad or fries.